people, this is how the Keurig works.
So basically, you turn it on. Did you see the lights over here? Okay, well, we're going to go through the steps. Turn it on. It heats up. It has 3 little blue lights for coffee sizes. I think 8, 10, and maybe 12, but I never do that much coffee. Here are the little Keurig pods. I have a donut blend coffee. You lift this lever, put it in, pull it down. The buttons light up. I usually go for the middle one. Do you, now Elaine, this is your coffee. Do you want a small cup, like an 8 ounce, a 10 ounce, or a 12 ounce cup?
We can get us a 10 ounce.
Okay. And then watch.
Name of the machine. That's the name of the brand.
Keurig, yeah. They have like different models.
Where they sold it?
Oh, they have them everywhere. You can get them at Target. You can get them online, Amazon, anywhere. Best Buy. You may even be able to get them at CVS.
And these are sold separate, right?
Yeah, I got these, and I got these at CVS.
It's so simple, so easy. That's all for 10 hours. I should. No, I got to drink.
Do you want some? I have almond creamer. Do you want that in yours?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, it's my favorite. Got a new.
And for breakfast, we having pizza.
Yes.
New York style.
Very nutritious. Not. We are not. So you get as much as you want. I'm gonna give you. You have a little taste of it, so you know like how much you want to put in there.
Oh, I don't need no taste of it. Just pour it in there, Jay.
You sure? Well,
yeah, because
you don't want to taste it.
No, I don't need to taste it.
Okay. Well, you put in as much as you want.
Okay, cereal, yes. This is cereal. Got these all the time.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make my cup too.
Okay. Now we need sugar in here, right?
I don't have sugar, but it's sweet.
Okay.
So it's a 2-for-1 in that.
Oh, that's real good.
Yeah.
It's sweet.
That's why I said you can taste it beforehand.
Okay, well, where's the little spoon at? No sugar required. That's convenient.
Mm-hmm.
See, I'm addicted to sugar. I could use 1,000 pounds of sugar.
Then put more cream in there.
Put more cream in there, but maybe I shouldn't because it's a traditional. Thank you, Carl.
You're welcome, Elaine.
Thank you, all TikTok.